So ayun mga boss, we have a huge package to unbox. This is from Purparsense and thank you very much Purparsense for this wonderful package. Napakalaki nito. And tara na, ang dami ko sinasabi. Mag-unbox na tayo agad. Let's go! Four boxes. Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Oh my God. I mean, ang safe, ang secure. Oh my God, bro! look at all of these. Ang dami, broski. Ang dami. Okay. Thank you so much for Purparsense. Ang dami nito. Like, you see how much that is? You see how many? By the way, this is their Electro Blue. This is their BDC. Ito naman is Sunny Days or yung kanilang Happy Men, I think. Happy Men if I'm not mistaken. Happy Men. This is Navy Wave naman. This is their Polo Blue, I think. If I'm not mistaken. So, ang ganda guys. First of all, I commend their packaging kasi not only maganda, ang maganda is maayos and safe. Very secure yung kanilang packaging. Like lahat may papel, so parang di magka-dikit-dikitan yung mga pabango or like mabasag. And then, maganda dito guys, meron din silang embedded na logo. Okay? Embedded na logo sa kanilang packaging. This is good. That's so good. Kasi iba't ibang, kunyari, isang 50 ml, iba't ibang box. That's huge. Okay, that's good. I commend them for that. Okay, so, ang dami pa. Meron silang steamy shower. Steamy shower. Actually, hindi ko pa kabisado yung mga mga pabango nila. This is Sexy Fruity. Tapos, meron din silang velvet toe bags. And meron silang Silver Spice. Cheers! And meron silang Smoky Glam. Ang gaganda ng mga pangalan nila, to be honest with you guys, para hindi kayo maka-copyright or something. Meron silang clean slate. Actually, hindi ko pa talaga kabisado yung mga pabango nila. But then, there are so many that they have given. Grabe. And Electro Blue Elites BDC. Whew! Siyempre, titignan natin kung para tayo nag-snip session dito. Ang dami guys, like literally. Okay, nice some necessary thing happen. Uy! May pagka-slide difference. Bongo? This is very light and magalas sa ilong and masarap. And proof. May fantasy kaya nakikita niya. So saka na yung mga full reviews guys, but this is just an unboxing video tsaka initial impressions. This is their Polo Blue. Uy, pressurized. Very clean, very timeless classic. Ang dami pa nito guys. I don't know if... See? Ay, teka lang. Bibilisan ko lang yung pag-unbox nito kasi may mga tape pa sila, okay? So yun guys, as what I've said kanina, very secured ang kanilang packaging. Like, even the decants are very secure. So, naubusan na ako ng scent strips. Naubos na yung isa kong pack ng scent strips. So, open tayo ng bago. Dami na, pag-yarinan. Para mag-clean slate. Okay. Uy! Oh! Velvet Tobax. Uy, laki! Uy, laki na! Oh! Sexy Fruity. I think this is ultra. If I'm not mistaken, Sexy Fruity. Or if I'm not mistaken, maybe. Pero di naman ko. Maybe maybe I'm mistaken. Baka nagahalo-halo yung yeah. Steam shower. Parang wala na ako guys. Yeah. So, this is Smoky Glam. Dami. Wala mo, nasa na lang dito sa this dito. Uy, bang neto. Bang neto guys. Silver Spice. Last. Ewan ko na. Basta, maraming mabango. And actually, wala akong hindi nagustuhan sa mga perfumes nila. Kahit sa Decants. Grabe. Thank you so much for Parsets. Sobrang sorry. Ang dami nito. I don't know what. Pero actually guys, marami talaga sila magbigay ng freebies. Kapag mag-check out kayo sa kanila, sobrang dami nila magbigay ng freebies. So, marami kayong mga pabango na matatry. So, I recommend Per Parsets guys if you want something na may pagka-cheap pero maganda yung quality and safe yung inyong mga products. Check out Per Parsets. Let's go!